Hello everyone. I'll be here talking about the new wire that India Ratings and Research has published titled India Ratings Securitization Transactions Can Hold Up for First Quarter of FY22 with 50% collection efficiency. The wire talks about the liquidity position of India Ratings portfolio and how securitization transactions in India could be impacted in the midst of second COVID wave. Given the resurgence in COVID-19 cases throughout April and May this year, we have witnessed states imposing partial or complete lockdowns. So this comes at a time when borrowers are still coming to terms with the first wave and would have now depleted their savings. We believe this could result in rise in softer delinquencies and then its migration to harder buckets in the coming months. Having said that, the stimulus measures provided by the Reserve Bank of India, including Restructuring 2.0, ECLGS scheme, these are likely to help borrowers to manage liquidity for a near term. So to analyze the possible impact of second wave, India Ratings has performed a liquidity analysis of their rated pool under three scenarios. First one is an extreme case of zero collections for the first quarter of FY22. Second is 50% collection in the first quarter of FY22. And third is 50% collection in the first half of FY22. So what we understood from this exercise is that even if the collection efficiency of all the rated transactions drop to 50% in the first quarter, the credit enhancement will be able to cover PTC obligations. However, if we apply a similar stress for the first half, there would be some transactions that fail the test. So these transactions could be possibly of a structure like timely interest and timely principal, or they are the newly rated ones and not much credit enhancement has been built up in these transactions. Wire also talks about the collection trends, that how we have witnessed a steady increase in collection efficiency post-moratorium because of the gradual reopening of the economy in the second half of FY21. However, we think that May 2021 collection numbers would be an indicative of the ground reality in the midst of second wave after the larger lockdown restrictions that we have seen mid-April. Talks about the collection trends across different asset class over the last few months as well. The commercial vehicle, we have seen steady collection in the last 2 quarters of FY21. However, this lockdown could moderate fleet capacity utilization, impacting medium and large fleet operators. Talking about unsecured business loans, we believe these are likely to be impacted given borrowers' depleted financial cushions after continuous pandemic shock over the last 1 year. Also, businesses which are directly or indirectly associated with consumer discretionary sectors are likely to be hampered again due to this lockdown. Microfinance loan pools remains a watch out for us, with now infection spreading in the rural areas as well. Wire also talks about the implication of restructuring on the securitization transactions, that how if the treatment of the restructuring scheme for loans in the securitized pool and also if the investor consent amendments takes time, then it might affect the rating due to the mismatch in PTC and pool cash flows. Finally, India Ratings has been continuously monitoring their rated transactions over the past 1 year and have taken appropriate rating actions on these transactions. Again, as the outcome of this liquidity assessment that we have just done and the delinquency built up that we are expecting on the back of second wave, the agency will continue to closely monitor collection trends, also the practice of restructuring underlying loans and their implications, if any, on the securitization transactions. We hope you find the wire insightful, and please reach out to us for any questions and the feedback on the wire. Thank you.